Uncover the mystery behind ChatGPT, you won't believe what you discover. Hey there, fellow digital marketers and online business enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss any of the exciting content we share. Today, I have something truly mind-blowing to share with you all. We're going to dive deep into the incredible world of ChatGPT and uncover the mystery behind this cutting-edge AI technology. Believe me, what you discover today will leave you amazed. But before we get started, let me quickly remind you to check out the description below this video. There, you'll find links to some advanced training, tools, and services that can help you skyrocket your online business or affiliate marketing business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale up, these resources will be a game changer for you. So don't miss out. Also, make sure to follow me on my social media accounts listed in the description. I regularly share powerful strategies and insights related to digital marketing and online business, so you definitely don't want to miss that. Alright, let's jump right into the mystery of ChatGPT. You might have heard the buzz around ChatGPT, but what exactly is it? Well, my friends, ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, the masterminds behind some of the most cutting-edge AI technologies out there. It's powered by the GPT 3.5 architecture, which means it has been trained on a vast amount of data to understand and generate human-like text. But here's the fascinating part, ChatGPT isn't just any language model, it's a conversational genius. It has the ability to engage in dynamic and interactive discussions with users, just like a real human. It can understand context, follow prompts, and generate responses that are coherent and relevant. It's like having your own AI-powered chatbot that can hold a meaningful conversation with your customers or website visitors. Imagine the possibilities this opens up for your online business or affiliate marketing efforts. With ChatGPT, you can enhance customer support by providing instant and accurate responses to inquiries. You can create interactive chatbots for your websites or applications, improving user experience and engagement. And that's just scratching the surface. But how does ChatGPT achieve such remarkable conversational abilities? Well, it's all thanks to its training data. OpenAI trained ChatGPT on a massive corpus of internet text, allowing it to learn from a wide range of sources and become familiar with different topics and writing styles. This makes ChatGPT incredibly versatile and adaptable to various industries and niches. However, it's important to note that while ChatGPT is undoubtedly impressive, it's not perfect. There are limitations to its abilities, and it's essential to manage your expectations. Occasionally, it might generate responses that are off-topic or nonsensical. That's why it's crucial to supervise and guide ChatGPT to ensure the quality and accuracy of its outputs. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed today's deep dive into the enigmatic world of ChatGPT. The potential of this technology is truly mind-boggling, and I can't wait to see how it continues to revolutionize the way we interact with AI. Remember, if you want to learn more about digital marketing, online business strategies, or take your ventures to the next level, be sure to check out the resources in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss any of the exciting content we share. Sharing is caring, so make sure to spread the word by sharing this video on your social media platforms. Let your friends and followers benefit from the valuable information we discussed today. If you have any opinions, suggestions, questions, or inquiries, I would love to hear from you. Drop a comment below, and I'll try to respond to each and every one of you. Your engagement and feedback mean the world to me. Remember, the digital marketing and online business landscape is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial. That's why it's important to stay connected with me on my social media accounts, listed in the description below. I share advanced strategies, insider tips, and industry updates that can take your success to new heights. Before we wrap up, let me give you one final reminder to check out the description below this video. There, you'll find links to advanced training, tools, and services that can supercharge your online business or affiliate marketing endeavors. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started or a seasoned pro aiming to scale up, these resources will provide you with the edge you need. So, don't miss out on the opportunity to learn more, sign up, or make a purchase that can transform your digital journey. Take action today and unlock your full potential. Thank you so much for joining me in this exploration of ChatGPT. I hope you found it as fascinating as I did. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest videos on my channel. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep achieving greatness in the vast realm of digital marketing and online business. Together, we'll reach new heights of success. Bye for now.